Cooking and baking don't have to be complicated when you have the right tools. In this video, I've put together a list of 20 must-have kitchen gadgets from Amazon that make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. I have listed the best tools to help with everything from meal prep to baking desserts. You'll find gadgets that are practical, affordable, and easy to use. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Gourmet Easy Silicone Basting Brush. Gift-ready and versatile, this innovative cooking tool features a built-in brush for effortless basting. Simply squeeze the bottle to dispense sauce, ensuring even coating without mess. Its all-in-one design includes a 16 fluid ounces capacity to minimize refills, while the soft, flexible brush is heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Made from BPA-free silicone, it's durable, dishwasher-safe, and ideal for grilling, baking, or cooking. A must-have accessory for any kitchen or barbecue enthusiast. Exclu Refrigerator Deiser. Advanced Cunipure AirTech eliminates odors with a 3D honeycomb filter and porous shell, outperforming baking soda and charcoal. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, eco-friendly, and leak-proof. With a 10-year lifespan, this compact yet powerful device requires no power source, making it efficient and sustainable. Perfect for fridges, shoes, and small spaces, it ensures freshness and safety in your home while being maintenance-free. Duixie Anti-scalding Clip. Securely handle hot plates and bowls with this stainless steel, heat-resistant tool. Its non-slip wavy design offers stability, while multi-angle adjustability ensures compatibility with various bowl sizes. Perfect for mixing, pouring, or whisking, it protects hands from burns and prevents spills. Lightweight and user-friendly, it simplifies cooking and meal prep, offering safety and convenience for any kitchen task. Cushion Wall Strawberry Cutter. Featuring a large 3.54-inch cutting area and 8 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, this slicer quickly processes fruits, veggies, and more with precision. Perfect for busy lifestyles, it saves time during meal prep while delivering clean, uniform cuts. Durable blades resist corrosion, and the included sharpening stone and brush ensure long-lasting performance. A time-saving, efficient kitchen essential for effortless slicing. New Yolk Egg Tool. Effortlessly remove chalaza membranes and collect eggshell fragments with this heat-resistant nylon tool. Ideal for hot pans, it's a practical gift for chefs, bakers, and cooks. Doubling as elegant serving tongs for special occasions, it combines durability with versatility, ensuring precision and safety during food prep. A reliable addition to any kitchen. Yolk Ultrasonic Meat Tenderizer. Revolutionize tenderizing with ultrasonic technology, delivering even results while preserving appearance and texture. The stainless steel tank accommodates 2 thick steaks, while sous vide slow cooking locks in nutrients, flavor, and moisture. Easy to use, it features automated settings and precise timing, making it an advanced tool for gourmet cooking at home. Zulari Kitchen Dough Blender. Blend, cut, and mix ingredients effortlessly with this stainless steel tool featuring 5 durable wire blades. Its ergonomic, anti-slip rubber handle ensures comfort, even for those with arthritis. Rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe, it offers durability for years of baking. A lightweight, sturdy tool that simplifies dough prep for perfectly fluffy pastries and breads. A Hycup Slicer. Cut fruits and veggies effortlessly with this stainless steel and PP slicer, featuring a non-slip push plate for clean cutting and easy transfers. Compact yet robust, it's designed to save time and space, making it perfect for any kitchen. Durable, safe, and efficient, this tool is ideal for both home cooks and professional chefs. Kitchen Dough Citrus Lemon Peeler. Create zests and garnishes with ease using 5 sharp zester holes and a channel knife aligned for precision. Its soft touch handle provides a secure grip, while the hanging loop ensures easy storage. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a practical tool for zesting and peeling citrus fruits in any kitchen. OCream Chocolate Shaver. Craft precise, professional quality chocolate shavings with this innovative device featuring a rotating lid and custom mold. Containing shavings for a mess-free experience, it's easy to use and clean. Perfect for dessert artistry, it elevates your culinary skills while saving money on pre-made shavings. Enjoy the rich flavor of freshly shaved chocolate with this must-have tool. KitchenAid Grain and Rice Cooker. Features a scale that senses and calculates ideal water-to-grain ratios for perfectly cooked meals. The removable water tank dispenses exact amounts, making it easy to prepare grains, beans, or rice with 21 presets. A steamer basket multitasks above the pot for efficient meal prep, while a touchscreen menu offers intuitive control. With a delayed cook option for up to 24 hours, this kitchen essential adapts to your schedule and simplifies healthy cooking. Exclu Meat Chopper. Designed with a 5-blade pinwheel for quick and even chopping, this tool makes preparing ground meats, fruits, and vegetables effortless. Built from food-grade, heat-resistant nylon, it withstands temperatures up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit without deforming. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip and reduces hand fatigue. Multifunctional for chopping, mashing, or mixing, it's a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen, saving time while delivering consistent results. Avocado Slicer. Crafted with durable plastic and stainless steel wires, it's lightweight yet sturdy for long-lasting use. Its compact design combines elegance and functionality, offering effortless slicing and dicing of avocados for guacamole, salads, or other recipes. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, and the tool is easy to clean, fitting seamlessly into your kitchen. Corrosion-resistant and space-saving, it's perfect for creating precise avocado cubes in seconds. Cook's Innovations Egg Whisk. A semi-automatic design powered by a simple push ensures evenly whisked eggs for baking, scrambled eggs, or omelets. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and wear for lasting performance. With no need for batteries or electricity, this versatile whisk is perfect for frothing milk, blending sauces, or mixing drinks. Compact and easy to use, it's an energy-efficient choice for everyday kitchen tasks. Monkey Business Pot Lid Lifter. Keeps lids slightly open to vent steam while preventing boilovers. Made of heat-resistant material, this tool is reusable and versatile, perfect for lifting lids or propping up devices for recipe viewing. Designed for convenience, it's a playful yet practical kitchen companion that ensures safe cooking while adding a touch of charm to your culinary space. Nostalgia Smart Toaster. Features a touchscreen interface for precise control with over 60 toast programs, accommodating various bread types and browning levels. The automatic lowering system and nichrome heating coils ensure consistent results, while the countdown display keeps you informed. With options for defrosting, reheating, and adding time, it offers a user-friendly experience that combines speed, convenience, and reliability for perfect toast every time. Duixie Bread Slicer. Offers 3 thickness options for homemade bread, cakes, and bagels, ensuring clean and uniform cuts. The included bread knife complements the eco-friendly bamboo slicer, which features a crumb tray for mess-free use. Compact and foldable, it's ideal for small kitchens, and the natural bamboo material is durable and sustainable. Multifunctional and stylish, it doubles as a serving tray, making it an essential for home bakers. TLYSXPRO Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This rechargeable grinder set features a modern design with one-handed operation and a large capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. The Type-C charging eliminates the need for batteries, making it a sustainable choice. With 6 adjustable coarseness settings and a built-in LED light, it ensures precision and convenience. Perfect for enhancing flavor, it's a must-have for any kitchen or dining table. Vero's Swiss Pot Drainer. A stainless steel drainer clips securely onto pots and pans for hassle-free draining, fitting diameters from 5.5 to 10 inches. Designed to last, it outperforms silicone alternatives and resists warping under heavy use. Compact and efficient, it replaces bulky colanders, offering safe and spill-free handling for pasta, vegetables, and more. Ideal for small kitchens, it combines Swiss precision with practical versatility. GLife Smart Kettle. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow remote control of boiling, temperature settings, and scheduling. Customizable to the degree presets make it ideal for tea or coffee, with LED lights for easy water level checks in any lighting. With rapid boil and a 2-hour keep warm function, this kettle delivers convenience, style, and efficiency, meeting all your beverage needs effortlessly. That's a wrap on our list of 20 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets that are set to revolutionize your cooking and baking in 2025. From saving time to making your culinary adventures more fun and effortless, these tools are a game changer for every kitchen enthusiast. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices on all the gadgets we covered. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow foodies, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Stay tuned for more, and happy cooking!